How to launch a meme coin on Raydium. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Raydium app. So first unlock your phone and open the Raydium app, and you will see the main screen with different options for trading and launching tokens. After that, go to the Launchpad section. Next, look for the Launchpad option for the bottom. At the bottom of the screen, tap on it to go to this section where you can launch new tokens like your meme coin. And after that, create your meme coin. So now tap on create meme coin button, and you will need to fill in some information about your meme coin, like the name, symbol, and total supply, and make sure everything is correct before moving to the next step. After that, set up a liquidity pool. So next, you will need to set up a liquidity pool for your meme coin, and this helps people buy and sell your token. Choose a trading pair like USDT to meme. As you can see, you can set it like that, or you can just switch it. You can set your token name here and set the token that you want to sell for. In this case, it will be USDT, so I prefer to use the USDT in that case. And after that, add some liquidity to get started. After that, launch your meme coin. So once everything is set up, tap the launch button, and your meme coin will be live on the Raydium, and people can start trading it. This is how to launch meme coin on the Raydium. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.